So during this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an AI chatbot for your business and for your clients' businesses. And you're probably wondering, who is this random guy? My name is John Joshin, and I've helped over 100 different companies in a multitude of different industries, ranging from real estate to franchise consultants and many more industries. So let's jump right into it so you can get real value and understand how to build these bots in pretty much 20 minutes or less. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a Consolidata AI chatbot for your business and how to integrate it into GoHighLevel, change the prompting, change the script, and actually make it perform correctly. So let's jump right into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Consolidata to start out. And from Consolidata, you want to go to the sources. You need to add a source. So this source will connect the sub account. So they have sources for Facebook ads, Google ads, Stripe, Google Sheets, TikTok, Google Analytics, HighLevel, and OpenAI. Right now, we're just going to use the HighLevel one. So if I click on here, it's going to open up the Marketplace app. And now we're going to just connect this to my main MediaBloom sub account. So if we go to right here, MediaBloom, connect that. Cool. And now we actually have MediaBloom.us sub automatically connected. So if we go down to here, GoHighLevel V2, a lot of our connections expired, but now we see this new one right here. So MediaBloom.us sub, perfect. So what we're going to want to do is go into the AI bot, text bot. They have voice bots. I don't recommend. I don't think they're there yet. Their text bot is there though. So if I go into the configuration, add AI chatbot, label, we're going to call this MediaBloom video bot. Select GoHighLevel source, MediaBloom.us sub, right there. Location, MediaBloom, calendar. We're going to connect it to the voice AI setup calendar. Human takeover tag. We have all these different tags in our account. We're going to do booked as the human takeover tag, right? We're going to build it with Consolidata and then update it later. So select bot, right? We don't need that yet. We're just going to build it with Consolidata. So if we hit save, oh, yeah, we can't save it yet. So we got to build it in the prompt builder first. So create bot agent, OpenAI source, MediaBloom website bot. This is our OpenAI account. GoHighLevel source, MediaBloom sub. There we go. Company name. We're just going to fill in this information with default info. Right there. We service and provide voice and chat AI solutions to business owners. Cool. So user time zone, it's going to be user preferred because we're nationwide and worldwide actually. So file upload, we don't want to do anything for that yet. What we kind of want to do is add a name. So we're going to throw Josh, add the model. 40 mini is okay for now. Cool. Oh, we got to put a website. There's that. And then save. Source field, oh, they disconnected the source. So reconnect this again. There's that. Model 40 mini, save. Now that'll work. Cool. So let's let this load in real quick. And let's see. So now we have Josh right here that was just created. Just like that. Now we go back into the configuration, add Josh-MB video. GoHighLevel, calendar, voice AI setup. Tag is booked. Available bots, Josh. Save. So now we have a Josh one that was just created. So it's on page 2, Josh right here, just like that. So these fields did not map in, it looks like. So we gotta edit, booked, save that. Cool. We don't have custom fields, we don't have time zones, that's okay. We just want the human takeover for now. But we do need to build this automation. So if I copy this, go into the sub account, go to automations, from this automations, we're going to build a consolidated automation real quick. So let's see. So we're going to build in replied. Now we can make a different prompt and different everything depending on what they replied to or anything like that. So we're going to just choose reply channel, and we just want to make this an SMS bot for this scenario. But we can actually add in like live chat. We can add in pretty much anything, but we're just going to do SMS for this one. So I'm going to save that. And then what we want to do is we want to make a webhook. So webhook this, paste in that Consolidata webhook that we got, save. So we're going to call this Consolidata video bot. So that's the simple way of it, but obviously we want to get better responses for this bot. So to get better responses, it's really simple. So we go into here, we see Josh. Now we're going to go into the assistants, right? There's a couple different Joshes, but let me refresh this. So let's see. It should be the Josh at the very top. So if we go into here, we can see the rules, the flow, all of the different instructions. So we actually want to fill this out as if we were building like a voice bot, for example, or a full-blown extended chatbot, right? So to do this, let's say we want the conversation flow to go as followed. So step one, we want to do step one, answer the customer's initial question. Cool. Step two, must get the current date at a time. So this one is going, so I gotta copy this actually. So these are tool calls. So step three is the greeting. So this is where it actually starts. So we want to do step three. And now we don't want to say this right away because that's just kind of a weird response if they're replying back to one of our automations and it's saying, hey, my name is Josh, how can I assist you? That's a weird way to respond, as we know. So we're going to delete that. And what we're going to do is step four, for example. So step four, let's say, ask them about their company and get a response so you understand what they do for business. What their business does, actually. So let's delete this real quick. Step five. Ask them if they have looked into voice or chat AI before and request and ask what they were looking to use it for. Cool. Step six, ask them if they have any specific questions or if they would like to speak with a sales agent at our company. Cool. 7, 8. So just like that, now we have a slight flow of the conversation. If we wanted to add more knowledge, we could throw it in here as like the basic information, or we could also throw in a file search into these files. But right now, we're just gonna kind of keep it basic. So now this is all saved. So I hit save on that. We have a flow of the conversation. So we can actually test this out. So let's just test this and let's see what we can do. So if I text this number, So let's check our phone numbers. I'm going to text the main 855 line. So right here. Five nine six 1018. Now let's check the conversations. Hey, is this John? Well, I'm just going to say hey. Cool. So we just got a response. Now let's wait. We should. There we go. It actually just replied back. Hey there, how can I assist you today? Yeah. Assist me with what? What do you do? That's what I'm going to say. So let's see. Now it should be replying right now too. We're all about providing all of this different stuff. What specific area are you interested in? Cool. I'm looking for voice AI. Let's see. Then it'll reply back. Oh, looks like it didn't refresh right away. Great choice. You can enhance your interactions. Have you looked into specific applications for your business yet? This is my first time exploring. I'm looking for something to fire my VAs with. So let's see. Let's see how it replies. There we go. Would you like to discuss how it can be tailored to your specific needs? If so, we can set up a meeting. Yeah, sure. Awesome. What's your time zone? Share the email, phone number. Eastern time zone. John@gmail.com. John and just like that. Give it some information. Now it should give us some times on the calendar. Let's see. Yep, cool. Do you have other times available later in the week? Let's say those times don't work. Let's have it give us some different times. There's some more Monday and Tuesday. How about 12 p.m. on the 26th? Set this in the calendar. And we should see it book. There you go. Now it just booked the appointment. There we go. Looking forward to how we can discuss. If you have any questions before, then just let me know. Just like that, it was able to book an appointment. It actually informed them pretty well. It had a solid conversation. It was able to hold the conversation well, sound like a human, and it was pretty much perfect. So that's exactly how you do it. And obviously you can add a knowledge base, more information, change the script, do whatever you really want to do. But it's actually really simple to build these bots. So after watching that video, you should have a clear understanding on exactly how to set up these chatbots into your business or your client's business for GoHighLevel. And not just that, if you want any of our tutorials or templates or anything like that, then join in this school community right here. We're having all of our templates, everything that we possibly have, we're giving it away all in that community. So join in that and we'll show you everything that we have.